Hi, this video is the demonstration of the FUE donor scar with the head shaved completely with a clipper without a guard. And this is after 4 FUE surgery done. And again, we harvest throughout the back. And again, some people do class 5, 6, 7 hair loss where they completely have no hair on top and they still up for the FUE. It can be done, but it just the number graph you're going to do is less per day. It's 2,500 to 3,000, so that's why sometimes it might take 3, 4, or 5 surgery. With the strip method, the benefit is you can harvest 4 or 5,000 grafts per day, then you can do less. But this is the demonstration of the FUE donor scar. Again, the result vary from one individual to another. Client want to know what's it look like after 1 surgery, what it look like is 2 or 3 or 4, but this is after 4. Okay, again, the scar vary from one individual to another. I perform both FUE and FUT. Both FUE and FUT do produce scar but different form. FUE not just minimal scar, less invasive, less bleeding, less chance of infection, and less painful compared to a strip method. But the downside of the FUE are it costs more, the number of grafts we can do is less, and it's 2,500 to 3,000 grafts per day. It's more for a very it's good for a mild to moderate hair loss, although it can be done for advanced, but you need multiple surgery. And the growth rate is both FUE and FUT produce good result with good density, but the FUE is 5 to 10% less. On the other side, the FUT or the strip method, it will leave you a permanent linear scar for the rest of your life. You can never wear your hair short. The FUT is not just less, there's always pro and con for both FUT. The other down of the side of the FUT are more invasive, more painful, more bleeding, and more chance of infection. But the good part of the FUT is very effective for advanced hair loss. You can move 4,000 or 5,000 grafts per day. It's cheaper than the FUE, and the growth rate, both of them are good, FUE and FUT, but the growth rate of FUT is 5 to 10% better density. Thank you.